Hello everybody, how are you? I am Zef and your teacher here and I will be teaching you different question and their answer. So our today's question is one of the following is not one of the factors that affect the SKU rating of company's footwear. If a company's current and cumulative spending 40 QM 6 Sigma quality control programs. B option, the percentage size of a production facilities reject rates for branded and private label footwear due to defective workmanship and poorly maintained equipment. C option, expenditures for new styling features for a model. D option, whether production improvement. Option C option, has been installed. This option implies investing in special production equipment that puts the SKU rating of all pairs protected by 1.0 star. E option, expenditures for best practices training. The correct answer to the question is B option. The percentage size of a production facilities reject rates for branded and private label footwear due to defective workmanship and poorly maintained equipment. So that the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.